wont for our future. Greatness awaits me. All is going to plan.
Even I have bad days.
Sorry, but this is war! A little scratch won't stop me.
An encouraging display. Now! Ha! Watch and learn!
lament your weakness. There is always more to...
This is the cost of war.
I must lead them well.
I am Gwendol, the Grey Lion. Now's our chance.
I cannot die here.
Here is something to believe in! Another victory.
To survive, I will win!
Oh, old Gwendol is here. And he doesn't.
Oh, the hero.
I have faith.
So I have found a place to die. Young ones.
Only the strong...
That was quite a predicament. But now...
To think we'd get into a scrap here of all... We're lucky we all made it out alive. Well, that's ancient history. So you're that professor everyone talks... He asked me to help you because you see...
Claude of the Alliance? How did he learn of our plans? There is a reason they call him the Master... I suppose we are both fighting against...
That's right. I have a letter from him as well. It's up to you to decide.
That is yours, Professor. Please tell me what it said.
Okay, let's wrap up this handoff of soldiers. Not that I must warn you that these are very important soldiers for my territory. Don't Oh, by the way, I have some A witness saw Lady Rhea being dragged off by the Imperial Army after the battle 5 years ago.
Are you sure?
One of my own saw it happen.
So we were right in our decision to...
Thank you for the information. Now that we have reinforcements, and yet we do not have enough troops, we have no choice but to use our small numbers wisely. Yes, it will. As you know, the Ogma Mountains lie south of Garrick Mach. In order to enter Empire, there are 2 possible routes. Through the Kingdom to the west. Yes, that there are lords in the Alliance who support the Empire, but they are at least not completely. Furthermore, you hold a key to the Empire. Not quite.
Hey there, Teach. It's been a while, hasn't it? I never dared to imagine you might... I don't know exactly why, but you're intending to invade the Empire. That much. You'll have to cross the Aramid River, which runs along the border between the Empire and the... That means you'll need to gain control of the Great Bridge of Murden. The one that just so happens, my family, House Regan, is in conflict with House Gloucester right now. It would be easy enough for us to eliminate them. Do you see where I'm going with this? That will allow you to cross through after you take the bridge from the Imperial Army. You'll get to cross Murden without any trouble, and I'll be able to make... Not a bad deal, eh? I hope to hear from you soon.
The master tactician indeed. The conditions are not bad. If we take the Great Bridge of Murden, and House Gloucester bows down to the route from the monastery to the Empire will... It seems you are decided. We will...
Part 2. Silver Snow. Lone Moon. The Rose-Colored River. The Resistance Army, having received reinforcements from House Daphnel in Ael, is finally ready to unleash its invasion on the Imperial territories.
The messenger we sent to Claude has returned. We will advance when House Regan... We will take the Great Bridge of Murden with minimal casualties. And in doing so, we must prepare for battle.
I may sound terrible, but you won't notice.
May my song reach the god...
I'm getting the hang of it.